It is uncomfortably hot in here.
Oh, it looks like Susan's AC is broken, which means it's time for everyone's favorite show, Let's Get Comfortable! The show where you decide what makes you comfortable. Now, Susan, your payment options are you can pay for it yourself, but then Kevin doesn't get to go to summer camp.
Mom?
Or option 2, have your husband fix it.
I found a video, honey. I got this.
Ooh, looks like an uncomfortable choice.
Actually, there's a third option. You could just choose flexible financing with 1 hour heating and air conditioning.
Yes!
Susan, you have 30 seconds.
Oh no, I choose flexible financing with 1 hour heating and air conditioning.
Wow, that's our show. Don't forget, for all your HVAC needs, call 1 hour heating and air conditioning and let's get comfortable.
I found a video, honey. I got this. I think now that would make more sense. No, is that the green wire or the black wire there? We're fine.